Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So you guys are doing well and I am doing great. Today we are in Maxima and we are going to do grocery here. Uh, there is Revant with us, Muhammad Umar. Hello. And Mr. Osama. So we are making today a vlog. What kind of vlog?
मुझे क्या पता क्या चल रहा है
You know everything, bro.
क्या बिरयानी बनानी है ये
What's going today, bro?
I'm making kadai chicken and Umar bro is making biryani.
Biryani.
So let's see what's gonna happen.
So today we are invited in Mr. Revant home.
So we're gonna make some delicious food.
Yeah. Umar, what are you making today?
We are making Indian biryani,
Indian biryani.
Indian style biryani.
So now we are
have
in Mex-
Indian spices by luck by Revan.
Yeah, Revant is from India and he has a lot of spices from India. And now we are here to buy chicken and rice so that we can make biryani. So let's continue our vlog. Keep
master chef.
Yeah,
No,
he is our master chef.
Master chef.
We are not lying. He is our master chef. He makes a lot of things, very delicious things. Yeah. So here we will show you what kind of rice we will buy because for biryani. Wait.
Sale पे लगे.
This is crown rice from India or also made from Pakistan.
Pakistan.
It is made from produce of Pakistan. So this rice is $2.99, like 3 euros. This rice is also good. हाँ खराब तो नहीं होता है. It will not.
तू ले ली ना पसंद आया मैं दे दी मैं तेरे को दे क्या ले लेना मर्जी है तेरी
अपने घर के लिए ले रहे हो?
वो भी ले ली ना पसंद आया तो बेशक मैं दे दी मैं खरीदार हूँ और दस
How's the prices in India and in Lithuania? Are similar or different?
No, they are like different while compared to vegetables, but the common rate is the chicken. You can get anywhere, it's same. I can see. Like mutton is also best, somewhat like around.
Like
So
in
if you
India,
take
the
rice-
prices of grocery of
Yeah,
India
it's
and
like-
Lithuania are same or not?
Yeah, grocery somewhat, some bit
Okay.
different.
And what spices you find easily here and what spices you don't find easily here?
Anywhere like chili, I can find everything, but I can't find some of them like. How can I say? Like there's lot.
A lot.
A lot.
Like chili here is not very spicy.
Chili?
Chili
Yeah.
is not very spicy.
So you have your Indian restaurant. So if you go them like Namaste India, you can get some. So you can buy.
Oh.
So I
You
think-
buy from there. You
Yeah.
buy spices from Namaste
yeah,
India.
Namaste India.
Oh.
Bro, I think we need to take chili.
Yeah.
This one. Chili.
This one? I think not this one.
not this,
The other one.
This one. I
Yeah.
use this chili.
This is very spicy.
This it's spicy.
ओ ये पालक पड़ी हुई पालक पे सेल लगी है. You know if you want to make pakoras, सेल लगी है भाई पालक पे.
So you just take what you want.
I think you should buy this one. No, this one.
Master chef.
Which fish you? Salmon. 11 euro की किलो.
Explain.
You have to explain the types of tomatoes that are here.
These tomatoes are with roots
Okay.
and these are separates. It looks
Okay.
like Pakistani tomatoes
Okay.
and this is like maybe it's China potato and
Okay. And what kind of potato? It is not
it-
potato.
it
It
is
is
potato.
tomato. It is tomato.
Oh, it's tomato.
Let's take some
So-
tomatoes like.
Tomato or potato, whatever.
Why it is green?
I don't know.
You don't know. You never tried that tomato. You tried the tomato that has very less price.
Yeah.
Every time you buy the
Every time we just see that
the,
about the sale.
the sale.
And, other are like 350 cents.
You don't even
399
see
cents.
them. You don't even see those tomatoes with
No.
higher prices.
We are searching for that, but now Umar is somehow
Yeah.
managing.
He is managing to buy the tomato with less price. So
Yeah.
€2.99 per kg.
299 euro per kg.
Here are some mints. This is mint. This is coriander. If you want to grow at your house, you can buy from here. And
but it will not grow. Once you cut it, it will not grow.
But this will grow.
But
This will grow.
This will grow.
This mint will grow.
Yeah, exactly.
Your English is very fluent today. Why?
Why? I don't know why.
I'll spend 5.5.
It's like 2.5. Sandra test one. Sandra seminar 1.5. You also got 1.5.
He got 3 out of 3, and I got 2.
Who knows?
Chicken curry? These 2 packets. These 2 packets chicken curry?
Yes.
Calculations.
Yeah.
But if you want to make only with the chicken breast, pick 2 chicken breast. Okay, then you keep this. I will take fresh piece.
We will use in this in biryani and this in chicken curry.
Okay.
Okay.
Then it's
Then done. Okay.
So
Everything
मसला
done.
ले आ रहे हैं।
मसाला-
मसले नहीं मुकने।
मसले नहीं मुक रहे, कितना गोश्त कितना डालना है, क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना। बताएं ज़रा इसके बारे में, क्या आप कहना चाहेंगे?
इसके बारे में मैं कहना चाहूँगा, ये है श्वीजिया विश्तीना।
ओह ये
इसका मतलब है ब्रायलर चिकन। ये विश्तीना कहते हैं चिकन को, ठीक है।
अच्छा।
और इसके पीछे इन्होंने कोड लिखा होता है LT41280B। ये हलाल कोड होता है जो हमने अब तक सुना है।
सुना है बस।
let's go.
Let's go. Everything done?
To vlog you.
Yeah, I like someone to vlog me.
Okay.
Because every time I'm interviewing people don't interview
So
me.
guys, get ready for next vlog. I am doing the interview with Mr. Guljan about everything. So
Yeah.
good luck. Take it. यहाँ से लेना पड़ेगा। तो फिर यहाँ से
So now going back to home. Going back to home. Going back to home.
Okay. That's all.
That's all. So now I will show you the house of Mr. Revan. He live here alone, without anyone. And
Like my brother went to Paris.
yeah.
Oh, after you.
Wait.
After you.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you, bro?
I am fine, bro. I'm fine.
This is. What is your name?
My name is Shalom. This is my friend. He didn't remember my name. This is the true friendship.
No,
Yes,
I
yes,
remember
yes.
your name, but I don't know how to pronounce your name.
Actually, my name is क्या बोलता है? थोड़ा सा big है.
Bigger. Shah Alam. What
Shah
is
Alam.
full? What full?
I prefer you call me S Alon.
S
My
Alam.
name is S. Alam,
Full
yes.
name is Shah Alam.
Shah Alam, yes.
You are from where?
I am from Bangladesh.
Which city?
Kumilla.
Kumila.
Yes,
And you are, what are you doing here?
I am.
I know
student
everything,
here.
but I'm like telling you
I'm a
guys.
student and part-time doing job, like, you know.
Yeah, I know that. This is the kitchen. You can see the spices over there. A lot of spices from India. See? Come, Osama. This is your TV lounge.
Yes.
Okay, and this is your. This is room. This is his room.
You wanna show my clothes?
This is his cupboard. Very well organized, very clean, very disciplined boy he is.
और कोई मूवी लगाओ यार.
Why you are not? So bro, it is really nice
Thank you very
house.
much.
How much you are paying for this?
Like it's a sharing one, so 650 euros.
650
I
euros.
pay
Two,
personally like 230 to
230. Two people live together.
Yeah, 2 people live together.
Okay.
No, they live separately.
So friends, it's time for cooking. This is chicken marinated in too much spices.
How many?
इसमें आपने क्या क्या डाला है?
इसमें अभी आप देख सकते हैं ये ऑयल डाला है, उसके बाद हमने दालचीनी डाली है, लौंग डाली है और ये अभी हम इलायची डालने लगे हैं। इलायची
Is it okay or you need
इलायची खोल के डालो। अच्छा इसके थोड़ा सा ना
It's
खोल
enough,
के
I
डालते हैं उसामा। हाँ, 3 से 4 दाने मोर देन इनफ होंगे।
तो बिरयानी मसाले में तो ये सारी चीजें ऑलरेडी होती हैं।
जी होती है, लेकिन ये कि इसमें ना हमने इंडियन मसाला यूज किया तो उसमें साबित नहीं है, उसमें मे बी पिसा हुआ हो, तो हमने इसको जस्ट खुशबू देने के लिए बिरयानी
और
की।
ये आपने क्या बनाया है?
ये हमारे रेवंत भाई ने चिकन कढ़ाई, व्हाट यू से, कढ़ाई
like
चिकन
Curry
करी
बनाइए, what is
चिकन
क्या क्या मसाले add
ये अभी
किए?
बन रहे हैं इन्होंने
Okay, I can ask from him. What masalas you added in it?
I add like chicken masala which I got from my home, and like some coriander powder, chili powder, and some other masalas like garam masala, and maybe you can get like some spices, other spices which I use it here, like chicken seasoning, like chicken special masala from Lidl or Maxima.
Okay. जब इंडिया के लोगों से पूछ रहे हो तो
आप इधर आइए।
जब वीलॉग इंडिया के लोगों से बन रहा हो तो ऐसे पूछते हैं, भैया इसमें क्या डलता रहेगा?
अब आप नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस देखें। इसमें हमने जो
Bro, you
मैरिनेटेड
eat
चिकन
spicy?
किया,
ये हमने चिकन जो ना मैरिनेट करके रखा हुआ था
माशाल्लाह बहुत जबरदस्त।
और इसको
ये जो उमर भाई ये करते हैं ना, इच्छा नहीं फड़या जाता जीला।
I need the spatula.
Tell me what you are adding.
I'm adding curry masala,
Curry masala. Show me this.
which I got it from Lidl.
Lidl. Okay.
You can get it from Lidl, and like
I want to cover your spices. Okay. First you.
cover my spices. Okay.
Okay.
You
alright.
can.
What
So
what
what
kind
you
of
wanna-
spices you're using? These are dals.
These are dals.
What is this?
It's like popcorn.
Okay, popcorn.
Popcorn, and these are like some pickles. It's
Pickles.
cut mango pickle.
You buy
tomato
from
pickle.
Lidl.
No. These
From
which I
Pakistan?
get from my home country.
Okay, from home
India.
country.
Yeah.
From India.
These are like zira, and these are like you can see
Coriander.
and this is like warm garam masala, chicken masala, and you can see here lots of chicken seasonings
Cinnamon
like
sticks.
sticks, like
This
it's
is-
barbecue
Okay.
and basil, chicken seasoning, and one chili powder.
Okay.
So you can
and
shift
any
there.
Indian masalas, special
You
Indian
can see
masalas.
there. Chicken Everest masala, and this is like pav bhaji masala.
Okay.
So these are two my favorites, and these are my daily usage. Like
Tulsi?
Tulsi water, like it's good for your digestion and everything.
Okay.
And if you want, like you can use other powders. Like I take somewhat like
Amla powder.
amla powder, which is good for your health. And this is also from India, like mutton masala.
Mutton masala. Okay.
And these are like oats.
Oats.
I bought this from Lidl, and this is like kasuri.
Methi from
Kasuri
where?
methi.
Buy from Pakistan, from India.
From India, I think. Yeah.
So these masalas are not getting low for you, or
Low
Lord,
like it's like higher or something prices, but it's like
You buy from
one time.
here?
No, from India.
from India.
Yeah.
Okay. This is biryani. चावल भिगो के रखे हैं. Our half vlog is in English and half is in Hindi.
We told you before that we are semi-Europeans.
Semi-Europeans.
You are a small kid.
Come, bro.
Yes, bro.
What you cook?
I cook.
No, like what dishes you cook? What Bangladeshi dishes? We want to know about.
I know biryani. I know what I say. Khichuri.
Khichdi.
Yes. Take the charge. Take the. It's a biryani, bro. I just.
And what? So, bro, how are you feeling here in Revant house?
Yes, bro, I'm feeling very good here because you are here. So everyone is here. Revant is also very good guy. He told me several times to come his apartment, but we are doing
Yeah, we are
some
very-
job, so
we are very
we are very busy here actually.
Busy
so
here, right?
so
Yeah.
that's why we didn't come this
What
time.
thing you most like here in Lithuania? What thing you like here in Lithuania? Which thing attracts you the most?
That attract me winter, bro.
Winter? You like winter?
No. I like winter, but not too much.
Too much.
You know.
बड़े लोग है ना, बिजनेसमैन.
Bring this one. Very.
So guys, we are just enjoying the food that Mr. Umar and Revant has made. This is chicken biryani. And what is this, Revant?
Chicken, kadai chicken.
Chicken curry.
Yeah, chicken curry.
Chicken curry. So how's the taste?
The taste is very good, bro. Very good.
And you
Yeah, it's very good.
you
I tasted it. You can see.
Okay. So guys, this was our vlog. We enjoyed a lot. And thank you so much, bro, for inviting us. It was
I
really
should say
nice
thank
time
you.
with
Thank you
you.
very much for coming.
So
Bro,
keep,
इसको करे बेटा.
so keep watching my
करेंगे
vlogs.
से वाला.
And I will make more vlogs with more people living in Lithuania. So
कैसा
bye.
बहुत अच्छा.